Good day everyone. In this video, let us do two basic sums in vectors. See in the description box, I have given a link. If you click it, you will get a PDF where I have given all the formulae and concepts which will be useful for you to study vectors. Now let us see the sums. How to prove two vectors are collinear. Collinear or parallel, both are same as far as vectors are concerned. So you want to prove two vectors, okay, are collinear. Two vectors are collinear. You want to prove it, right? They have given you two vectors. Let A vector is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Let B vector is equal to minus 4i cap plus 6j cap minus 8k cap. You want to prove the two vectors are collinear. Actually, there are two methods to prove it. One is, you can see the direction ratios of the vector. If the direction ratios are proportional, you can say the two vectors are collinear. Actually, a very easy method. So here, if you see the drs of A vector is equal to 2 comma minus 3 comma 4. You know the direction ratios or the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap. Then the drs of B vector are minus 4, 6 and minus 8, right? Now let us see what you get. 2 by minus 4 you are getting minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 6 again you are getting minus 1 by 2. 4 by minus 8 you are getting minus 1 by 2. So the direction ratios are proportional. Hence you can say A vector and B vector are collinear or parallel. Okay. What is the second way? In the second way, if I can prove one vector is some scalar times either k or lambda times the other vector, I can say the two vectors are parallel or collinear. Now, let me check the A vector and B vector. I will take B vector is equal to, from here I can take one minus 2 common and inside I will be now getting 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap, which is equal to minus 2a vector. So my B vector is minus 2 times A vector. So also I can say A vector and B vector are collinear. So whichever method you feel easier, you can follow, okay? So either prove the direction ratios are proportional or prove one vector is scalar times. It may be a positive scalar, it may be a negative scalar and it can be a fraction, don't bother about it. Then you can say the two vectors are collinear. Now let us see how to prove 3 points are collinear. That's a bit different from this. Here two vectors are given. Now we want to prove 3 points are collinear. How to prove 3 points are collinear? Okay. 3 points. You want to prove they are collinear. Now, they can give the point either in Cartesian or in vector. Okay. So now the 3 points given to you are, one point is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. They can give as like position vector. That also means only a point. The second one they have given is 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 7k cap. The third one is minus 3i cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap. So these are the 3 points they have given. You want to prove the points. Let us take this point is A, this is B and this is C. You want to prove the points A, B, C are collinear. Now you have to find any two vectors. You can either find AB vector and BC vector, or you can find AB vector and AC vector, or you can find BC vector and AC vector. Anything you can do. Now I am going to take. Now this point means, what do I mean? This is OA vector, okay? That any point is always a position vector. So now the OA vector is I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. OB vector is 3i cap plus 4j cap plus 7k cap. OC vector is minus 3I cap minus 2j cap minus 5k cap, right? Now I am going to find AB vector. You know AB vector is OB vector minus OA vector. So now from this you have to subtract this. What will you get now? 3I minus I. So I will be getting 2I cap. 4j minus 2j. I will be getting plus 2j cap. 7k minus 3k. I will be getting 4k cap. This is my AB vector. Now I will go to BC vector. How will I write BC vector? OC vector minus OB vector. So from here I have to subtract this. So minus 3I minus 3I. I will be getting minus 6I cap. Minus 2j minus 4j. So minus 6j cap. Minus 5k minus 7k. So minus 12k cap. Now this has become the previous sum, right? Because now we have got two vectors. Now I can easily compare the DRs. Okay, the DRs of these are actually 2, 2, 4. So I will write here DRs of AB vector, that is 2, 2, 4. DRs of BC vector are minus 6, minus 12. Even if you see this, you will easily find out minus. If you multiply this by minus 3, you are getting all the things. But anyway, let us do it. You will get a 2 by minus 6 is minus 1 by 3. 2 by minus 6 is minus 1 by 3. 4 by minus 12 is also minus 1 by 3. Therefore, now you can say AB vector and BC vector are collinear vectors. Okay, that is the conclusion you get. Now you check whether there is any common point. See, the B is common in both. So you write B is a common point. B, one point will be definitely common. Therefore, you can say A, B, C are collinear. Because two vectors are collinear is different. For proving 3 points, there should be one common point, and then you get the 3 points are collinear. Hope you have understood these two sums. These are some basic sums. Okay. So, thanks for watching the video. You can subscribe to the channel and you can click the bell icon so that you will get notifications of further videos.